In this video, we will describe a simple puzzle involving a mosquito and two trains. Suppose two trains A and B, initially 100 kilometers apart, are facing each other. Train A on the left is moving right with the speed of 35 kilometers per hour, whereas train B on the right is moving left with the speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Imagine a mosquito with initial position at the front of train A flying right at the speed of 120 km per hour. After some time, the mosquito reaches the front of train B and collides with it. When the mosquito collides with the train B, it reverses its direction and flies towards the train A with the same speed of 120 km per hour. The mosquito keeps flying at 120 km per hour, changing its direction after every collision. The process stops when the two trains collide and kill the mosquito. Here's a small animation for the mosquito train puzzle. The question that we are interested in is how much distance has the mosquito traveled before the two trains collide? Now is a good time to pause the video and try solving this puzzle. If you are familiar with the series and convergence concept, you would be inclined to derive the distance traveled by the mosquito between n and n+1th collision. This would be followed by summation and calculating the limit for n tending to infinity. This is the pitfall that our mind directs us to take given the similarity of the problem with series and convergence. I would encourage you to go ahead and derive the expressions to understand how ugly they get. It turns out that we do not have to go through such complex calculation. The answer can be calculated mentally without needing a pen and a paper. If you want to give it another try, now is a good time to pause the video. Here's the solution for the mosquito train puzzle. The calculation proceeds as follows. The speed of mosquito is constant until it gets smashed by the two trains and dies. Now, how much time does it take for the two trains to hit each other? It is 100 divided by 35 plus 15, which is 2 hours. This implies that the distance traveled by the mosquito is equals to 120 into 2, which is 240 kilometers.